Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is kind of backfiring on Microsoft, and it has to do with a small app that's been in Windows for ages. And of course, they're transforming the app, and it's the Notepad app. So, if you all remember, there was a WordPad app, there was a Notepad app. And we were kind of, okay, like that. We wanted to have our WordPad software. And unfortunately, as you see here now, it's a search when you do this because Microsoft has deprecated and removed WordPad. Now, I have a video where you can go and download the app itself. There's a place where you can actually get it back. But it's sad because if you reinstall Windows or do some major changes, it might go away again. And this is something that people aren't happy about, that Microsoft is taking the Notepad and transforming it into WordPad, when Notepad was this very simple thing that was often used to do simple tasks. For example, some actually used it to write small code or just do some changes for the registry, things like that. You didn't need formatting. You didn't need anything special. I often used it to copy, registry, executable files that would modify things. And it was, I think a lot of us would use it pretty much in that way, or simply use it as, plain text. I just want to have my plain text there and something. I don't want to have the complexity of having to play with a million settings and things to actually have it the way I want. It's just going to be a text and that's it. And this is what it's creating stirs. A lot of users are not liking that Notepad is being changed into basically WordPad. And they're kind of thinking, why add all of this crap to Notepad? Somebody in the comments was talking about Marriage of Foley. That used to be on Windows Weekly, and she writes everything in Notepad. And I'm pretty sure she must be one of those that's like, no, stop adding crap to Notepad. I use it and want it the way it was. And so I don't know, but a lot of people are not happy at the changes coming. And a lot of people are like, well, you know what? If you're to do this in Notepad, why don't you just, bring back WordPad and play with the WordPad, add features to it? Unfortunately, that's not the way it is. So a lot of users not really happy with the new Notepad, and they just wish WordPad was back and that Notepad would stay the way it was. What do you think of it? Do you like the new Notepad? Do you like the fact they're adding all these features? Or would you like that Notepad to stay the simple little app that it always was? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.